Hey guys, it's Rav the Unboxer. So today I'm gonna unbox for you guys this brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and give you my first impressions of the phone. So let's check it out. Okay, this is the Galaxy S10 Lite box. So as you can see, Samsung still follows the same box design from the S10. This is the prism blue color here with 128 gig storage option. Okay, let's open this up. Wow. Actually, I'm so excited to look at the blue color on this because I think it's the same as the Galaxy Note 10. Before I reveal this, let's put it to the side first and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, the first thing that you see here is a 24 watt super fast charger because this phone actually supports the fast charger similar to the Galaxy Note 10 and the 10 Plus. So I'm super excited to test that out. We have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and also we have the earphones. Let's check them out. Okay, it's actually different than the ones you get from the Galaxy Note 10. The Note 10 ones got the braided cable compared to the rubber cable here. And the tips is this clear silicone tips, different from the black colored tips that comes with the Note 10. Underneath the box lid are the instruction box with the SIM card toolkit on the outside. It's actually pretty thick, and that is because it comes with this. A clear silicone case for the phone, which is good. This means that you can protect your new phone out of the box without spending extra for the case. So that's everything you get from the box. Let's get back to the Galaxy S10 Lite. Okay, let's reveal the color. Wow, this prism blue looks really good. It's definitely the same with the Galaxy Note 10. It's so nice to look at. Okay, here is how the phone looks like with the case included. Well, definitely looks better without the case, but it's okay. Okay, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So what is the S10 Lite? Since we have the S10 released a year ago, really the idea is to give you a premium specs with a premium smartphone experience at a lower price point. So when the S10 was released a year ago, it retails around $1,000. This costs only $600. Okay, you might be thinking that the name Lite is just a lightweight version of a Samsung flagship. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. Not in terms of spec and size. Well, the Galaxy S10 Lite is a big phone. It's even bigger than the S10 Plus. However, it feels pretty good and comfortable in the hands. And it's fairly lightweight at 186 grams. Plus, it's a very attractive phone, especially in this prism blue color. The only compromise for having the Lite name is the plastic material used at the back. However, unlike most budget phone that looks cheap, this looks very premium even with the plastic bag. You get the rectangular camera cutout at the back, which I think looks good. The front is what makes this phone special. This here is a big 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with nano bezels all around with a camera hole punch on top, similar to the Note 10. And with any Samsung screen, it looks beautiful. It comes with a resolution of 1080 by 2400, 394 ppi with always on display, and it's a AMOLED display, so you get deep blacks, vibrant colors, and it gets really bright. On the front, you also get the on-screen optical fingerprint scanner, which is decently fast. There's also face unlock, which works great as well, so you have options on how you want to unlock your phone. Moving on, you have all your usual buttons on the right of the phone, which is nice. You also have the hybrid dual SIM card slot with microSD support on the left of the phone. And at the bottom, a single speaker and a USB-C port with no headphone jack anywhere to be seen. And at this point, I don't think anyone is surprised. Okay, looking at the specs of this phone makes you wonder, how is this a light phone? Because it comes with a flagship spec. Snapdragon 855 with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs storage. Yep, flagship level specs. This reflects the very smooth smartphone experience. Gaming on this is pretty good too. I played a few games of PUBG Mobile and the gaming performance is what we expect of a flagship phone on a max graphic. So far, I'm impressed. Moving on to the cameras, the Galaxy S10 Lite comes with a great set of cameras as well. Yeah, not really a light smartphone. It's a triple camera setup with 48 megapixel f2.0 main camera with OIS, 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide lens and a 5 megapixel f2.4 macro lens. It's a capable camera setup and it shows in the pictures. Here are some shots that I took during the day and you can see it looks great. Colors look vibrant and the photos overall are sharp even in low lights. Here are some shots of the wide angle lens and it also looks really good with great dynamic range. And there is also macro lens and here are some shots that looks decent. Moving on to the video, the Galaxy S10 Lite comes with 4K 30fps video recording support with OIS and EIS. And here are a sample video and you can see it's quite good and stable too. And with its super steady shot feature turned on, I can even run and it still looks stable. Amazing. On the front, there is the 32 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera sharing all the same features of the back camera. Here are some selfie shots that I took and I must say, it looks good with great details. Next up on proving that this is really not a light smartphone are the batteries. The Galaxy S10 Lite packs a big battery of 4500 mAh, which is the biggest battery when it comes to the Samsung S lineup. Even the S10 Plus comes with only 4100 mAh. Plus the S10 Lite supports 45 watt charging and it comes with the same 25 watt super fast charger like the Note 10 Plus. And with my testing, this phone charges really fast. On the software end, the Galaxy S10 Lite comes with One UI 2.0 on top of Android 10. So you get all the sweet features like the gesture control, dark mode, link to window features, Samsung Pay feature and many more. And coming from an iPhone, this feels good to see Samsung has properly integrated good hardware and software experience. Overall, as my first impression of the Galaxy S10 Lite, I'm quite impressed. The only thing which is slight about this phone is probably the price. The things that you get for a $600 phone is amazing. The attractive looking design, beautiful big AMOLED display, a very capable sets of camera, a big battery with fast charging and the latest software. So it's not exactly light smartphone per se. This is really a true budget flagship from Samsung. Anyways, that's it for my first impression of the new Samsung S10 Lite. So far, I'm really liking the new Lite offering from Samsung. But how about you guys? What do you guys think of this phone? Let me know in the comments below. As usual, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel for more great videos. And don't forget to hit the like button and notification button. I'm Rev the Unboxer. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.